Welcome to the middle of nowhere. I am the guy that literally lives in the middle of nowhere, and today is a motherfucking scorching day, okay? Some bitches in the sun, look at that. 40. It is hot. Not enjoyable at all. Got the dog out here. Hey, Saf? Got your water. I got my jug. It is fucking hot out today. So, today is going to be separating this thing. I'm not opening up that garage door back there because holy shit, it'll just let the heat in. I'm trying to get as much cold air in as possible. It might be a basement day, but I want to clean that up. So I'm just going to literally take a vacuum, that piece of shit there, and just get all this. Get all the dirt, so when I do try to lift it up with my engine hoist over here, I've got to make it happen. So go underneath, separate it, and have fun trying to do this shit. It's gonna be a good day. Shit. Well, make sure you don't suck up parts like this. Oh, fuck me. Okay, so look at that. That was the part I thought I was missing the whole time. That's for the fucking distributor lock. So, and it goes right there. I am fucking lucky. I am going to put that with the rest of my parts. Because I really thought that was gone. And I've looked everywhere online for those things. Oh, holy shit. I'm probably talking loud. Sorry about that. Not listen to my music while I do this because, well, I gotta block out some of the sounds. It's fucking bad on my ears. Okay, so the joys of finding shit. You know, sometimes you just get lucky. Alright, I'll finish it up and you'll see it after. You can see I've gotten a good amount. It's hard to see, really. I've kept it much. I even vacuumed out the pistons in it and the where the cam lifters go, and a decent amount on the transmission. Just enough to say that it's not gonna go back inside. Yeah, because I don't give a fuck. Oh my god, my garage is dirty. The fuck's a garage is for, man? Yeah, it could be pretty. This looks like a war zone in here. But now the fun part. I gotta lift this on the hoist without the proper chain blocks, any kind of, or sorry, not chain blocks, but well, just with that. And I'm gonna use my big heavy duty 10,000 pound strap and see if I can get it done. Alright, so last I left off with this one, I didn't get it separated. I've got a stand under that back of the transmission. I did pull the dipstick, and this thing decided to stop working. I've got it all chained up, ready to go, but I'm stuck. This thing, when I brought that engine in, this here had leaked out a bit of oil. Well, I tried to fill it up, and it seems like the oil seal is fucked. So it will not jack up any more than a couple hundred pounds of weight. It'll jack me up. I'm only about a couple hundred pounds. This won't even, it won't do anything. So it'll keep pumping, but it just won't lift. So that's where I'm stuck at right now with that. The joys. hopefully I get a new one soon. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you have any ideas to fix this thing. I'd rather just replace this jack, the hydraulic shit, and without the whole thing, 'cause really that's all I need. Just trying to figure out how to get this thing working. I've filled it up. I think it's the O-ring that's shot the seal. I'm really not a hydraulics technician. How to do this stuff, but that I'll figure out later. Like always, have a good one.